Hello everyone, today I am going to be using our arc brush. So you can see this little smile side, the smudger end, double-ended to keep it super easy, super quick. I of course will be using the line from the fold-out face, but you're welcome to use whatever you like. I'm gonna dab it in, load up my brush, blow off any extra, and with the smile side up, I'm gonna line it up in the outer corner of my eye and just do a little wiggle. Okay, so I'm gonna flip over, and where my line ended, I will pull it in a little bit further than the center of my eye to give myself a little liner. Quick flick is done. Gonna even it out on the other side, same thing. So I'm gonna load up my brush with a black shadow. Again, blow off any extra. I'm gonna go about halfway, just for a shorter kind of daytime. Wiggle it in, you can see my mark, flip it around. You can see where it ends too, so you wanna be able to use the smudger end to kind of soften that line, pull it into the center. I like to go a little bit further than halfway through my eye. Darken my lash line. I'm done.